Hello everyone! Hello mga atsan kuys! It's me again, your Ate Mel, and welcome sa ating maliit na YouTube channel. Hello everyone! Welcome! And I am so glad na nag-subscribe kayo sa aking YouTube channel. And for today's video guys, this is my first fitness goals na ipopromote dito sa aking YouTube channel. I am hoping na sasamahan niyo pa rin ako towards my fitness goals at sa panibagong niche na gagawin ko, which is exercise, wellness, and physical activities. So, sinimulan ko na siya sa aking Facebook page, but I want na i-promote din ito sa aking YouTube channel. Kasi ito talaga yung isa sa forte ko. Okay? So sana po, huwag kayong magsasawa na sumuporta sa akin. I am so glad kasi na-hit na po natin ang 1,000 subscribers. Sana po mas dumami pa tayo dito sa ating YouTube community. Sa lahat ng mga mommies out there, you can join me sa aking fitness journey. It is very simple lang. Look what I am doing. The very basic routine, which is walking. At sa first fitness goals ko na video, magkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag nating walking is fun with Ate Mel. So guys, gagawin ko lang po or ginagawa ko po yung walking exercise or walking session ko once in every week. Kasi po napaka-busy, hindi ko po siya masingit during weekdays. So I have only weekend, either Sunday or Saturday, but most probably ginagawa ko siya during Saturdays. Okay? So I am encouraging all the moms out there, especially those who are very busy in their work, na sabayan niyo po ako. Okay? So, basic lang po yung ginagawa natin, simple as walking. I am inspired by Ma'am Leslie Sanson, okay, the Walk at Home channel. So, I am very inspired sa kanya, hoping na makita ko si Ma'am. Wala namang masama, di ba? Na yun din yung dreams ko. Okay. And hopefully, malay natin. Everything is possible, ika nga, di ba? So, mga mommies out there, wear your comfortable clothes at sabayan niyo ako. Okay? So, simple lang. Walking is for warm-up. So, slow walking muna tayo. Okay. Next is side step. Both left and right. Okay. Okay. You're doing good. You're doing better. Okay, good. I don't know if you're going to like this video, but I am hoping and praying na ma-appreciate nyo ang aking fitness videos. So, okay, give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right back to walking. Okay. Walk, walk, walk. Okay, good. And always remember, if we are going to do this fitness exercise, as simple as walking, dapat po, make sure natin na naka-align yung body natin for us to have the right posture. Okay, our glutes, okay, our breast out, and our core, our stomach. Okay. I know there are a lot of mommies out there na nahihirapan kagaya ko in this area. Okay. But, huwag nating madaliin. We will take it slowly but surely. Progress 1. Okay, next. Give me this small kicks. Give me 4, 3, 2, start. Kick, kick. Okay, just slow or lower kick. Okay. And in doing exercise, in any form of exercise, Zumba, aerobics, Pilates, yoga, okay, you need to feel the moment. Okay. I am feeling every time I have an exercise that I am beautiful. Okay. So we are beautiful. Okay, we need to accept the fact now we are beautiful, right? Okay. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, back to walking. Okay. This journey, I started this one because I am feeling heavy right after giving birth 9 months ago. So this is my postpartum body. So I feel heavy. So I need to move or I need to start doing physical activities. Okay, because every time I have these physical activities, I feel energetic, lively, and I am being more productive in the weeks to come. Okay, so the sweat is there. Okay, enjoying? Walk, walk, walk. Okay, in every variations that we're going to do, we will going to or we'll come back to walking. Okay, this time, give me knee lift. Okay, give me 4, 3, 2, start, lift. Okay, just a simple tapping. Just tap your knees. Okay. This is good for our cardio as well. Okay, this walking exercise, this have a lot of benefits for our body. Okay. Okay, give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, back to walking. Okay, good. Walk, walk, walk. Okay. This time, we'll have side step with arms. Okay, sidewards. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, good. Better? You're great. Doing good. Okay. Give me 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Back to walking. I can feel the sweat. Good. Since this is our beginning, this is the first video that we're going to have, and I know there are a lot more. So claiming to have more videos, succeeding videos. And I am inviting you moms out there to try, just to try. Okay, there's no harm in trying, especially like this, walking. Okay, this time, kick, but much higher kicks. Okay, like this. Okay. Give me 4, 3, 2, go. Kick, 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 kicks. Whoa. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to walking. Every time I do this walking, I feel that I am lighter and I am feeling sexy and beautiful. Maybe because there's a hormone that produces our body. Diba? Why not? I know I am not good in English, but I am trying my best to speak in English. So this time, let us have variations forward and backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Lower, 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 lower. Last 4. Lower, 3, 2, and last. Back to walking. Okay. This time, okay, last 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. High knees with your arms touching your hips. Okay, give me 4, 3, 2, go. Okay. Can you feel your core, your stomach area? Okay, let's tighten our area in stomach area. Okay. We're not only doing walking, but this is also good for our cardio. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk. Okay, feeling good? Okay. Feel the moment, feel the energy. We are bombarded with different or lots of work in our workplace. So this is the time. Okay, next. Okay. Top side and reaching your hands. Left and right. Okay, give me 4, 3, 2, start. Okay. Okay, could you feel your thighs? Okay, your back. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk. Okay, this time forward like this. Okay. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, feel your glutes, your thighs, your stomach area. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, back to walking. Okay, this one. Another for our arms. Okay. Up, side, up, side, up and side. Can continue walking. Ready. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Up, side, up, side, up, side, up, side, up, side. Could you feel the energy, the movement? Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, good. Okay, this time, side step, left and right, double side step next. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, another 8. Last 2. Last 1. And go back to walking. Okay, good. Feeling better. Okay. So this time, we will going to have our stretching for our cool down. Every exercise or every activity that we're going to do, let's start with a warm up, then the intensity of our workout, then let's finish it with stretching for our cool down. Okay. Okay, this time, another one for this. Okay, okay. 2 counts each. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, good, better. 4, 2, last. Okay, walk. Okay, good. This time, last. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay? Slowly walking. This time, inhale, using your nose. Exhale, using your mouth. Thank you, everybody. Always remember, wear your beautiful smile kasi lahat tayo magaganda. See you on our next fitness journey. Have a good day. God bless everyone. Keep safe.